In today's video, I'm going to unbox a product from Eureka Forbes. It's a vacuum cleaner which is WDX2. MRP of this product is 17,500 and I bought it directly from Eureka Forbes for around 15,700 change. Hey everyone, you're watching me Vinayaka on VGS World. So without wasting any time, let's unbox the package and check what we have got inside.
It has also got an user manual inside the box, which helps in understanding the machine and operating it. This is the HEPA filter inside the vacuum cleaner. This filter needs to be replaced with another filter which is given with the box for wet cleaning. This is the knob to turn on off the machine, and this is the knob to control the suction power of the machine. This is the cord winder, and this is the HEPA filter cleaner. This is the handle, which is very good. This is the blower, and this is for vacuum.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notification of the new videos.